First make whole video in slow-mo. And also you have a music for that. Then open Kinemaster, we editing it. Click on New Project and select 916. Add the video which recently we show. Cut the access part of it in the beginning. Now split between slow-mo. At this point, now set the speed in beginning of video speed at 3.5x. It says the preview was laggy, but after video exported it will be smooth. Now let's add music on this video. As you can see, the preview was laggy. Now let's export it. Error showing because of screen recorder. But after turning off screen recorder it will be exported. Now let's see the video, how is it? As you can see, the lag was removed after exported video. And also the slow-mo is excellent. Now let's add some effect on this video. For effect we using VN video editor, you can download it from Play Store. Tap on add icon in bottom. Then tap on new project. Now find the exported video from Kinemaster. I think second one, preview it. Now tap on next button in bottom right corner. Scroll it and remove the end of this video. Pause the video between slow-mo and tap on FX button in bottom. Here many shaking effect you can see. Apply which you want. When you applied one effect, then split the video after FX. Because you can add only one effect in one tab of video. When splitting it, it will be two tabs, so you can add another effect on this video tab. After this shaking FX, now tap on export button which is top right corner. And tap on export original and tap on tick button. It's exported. By the way, he is my friend, and if you want this kind video you can follow his Insta account, link in description. After exported it will be shown in DCIM folder in File Manager. And this is final video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something new in video editing, so subscribe my channel and also like share this video.